Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Today is a big day, March 14th, 2019. In a few hours from now in the evening in Los Angeles, Tesla will reveal the last letter in the word sexy, and that is the Y, as in a Model Y, and that will culminate on more than 10 years of planning to create a high-end sedan, high-end SUV, massive production of a small sedan, the Model 3, and now the crossover Model Y. It's very, very exciting. I read some reports. I woke up extra early on my way to my meetings in the office. See, I'm all spiffy. I woke up extra early, read all the reports, blah, 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 yakety yaka, and JD Power says that they predict, a lot of predictions. Everybody predict. How the hell you know? Anyway, JD Power predicts a price of $45,000 to $85,000. Whoa, that's a lot of thousands. So you know, most cars that are bought in the United States are between $30,000 to $50,000. SUVs are actually close to $50,000, and Model Y will be a crossover. You know, it's a small SUV. Hopefully, it got a third row option. That would be really great. But that's beside the point. Let's focus on the price. 45 to 85. How do they know? It's a prediction. They don't know. What we do know is what Musk said about being 10% more expensive, 10% bigger, and 10% less range with the same size battery, depending on the size of the battery. But 10% more expensive than what? Than the 35,000? Okay. So that's not exactly, you know, it's close to, will be close to $40,000. So we'll see. Is it 10% of the 40,000 model? We don't know. I hope it's at 40,000 to start with, because if that's the sweet spot, then a lot of people are going to buy it. Having said all of this, I think there is going to be a lot of demand. And I think Tesla is going to have tremendous challenge, which I'm sure they meet next year when they do the mass production. The question is, how much will be the down payment, so to speak, the reservation fee. Hopefully it's $1,000, not $2,500, not to push people, to encourage people to actually go for it. I will not be a reservation holder to start, maybe way down the line. I will look at all the prices tonight and the specs and see if Model Y is in my future. Is it a trade with the Model 3? I don't know. I don't think so. But we'll see. We'll see how it looks like. I think if it's a hatch, and I'm sure it's a hatch, a fifth door in the back, it's going to be a huge advantage. Huge in biblical proportion. I'm a Bible teacher, if you didn't know that. So I like to use that term. So we'll see. We'll see what are the specs. I think the $40,000 to $45,000 sweet spot, 220 miles plus, is going to be enormously successful. Availability to do a V3 supercharging, amazing possibilities. And then all the extras, autopilot and all that, that's, I don't want to call it fluff, but that's cherry on the cake. You know, it's not what's going to make you not buy a car. Everything else, if you get the two essentials, the $40-ish $1,000 base, and 220 miles range as to start with, here's my money, give me that car, that would be awesome. If it's not that, if it gets to 45, 50,000 for a base model, it's going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult for people who don't know about electric cars or have just enough money for that range, for that's the amount of money that they have, and they want that range. If that is the case, that's going to be enormously successful. I think it's going to be enormously successful no matter what, but it could be exponentially more. But it's all prediction. Who knows? I don't know. I'm not a prophet. Bible, you understand? Okay. So we'll see you tonight. I'm going to make another video right after the launch, right after. So stay tuned. I'm going to be monitoring the situation for you, so you don't have to. Okay, guys. See you later. Enjoy.